This instructional video shows how to replace the water filter in a TUI-15-D. True ice machines use a built-in water filter. This filter removes unpleasant taste and odor, as well as inhibiting scale. The filter life expectancy is 12 months for low-scale water and 6 months for high-scale water. The ice machine monitors how long the filter has been in operation. When it is time to replace the filter, the water filter reminder icon blinks. The display will also show RTR when you turn the unit on and at the start of an ice-making cycle after the ice storage bin is full. You can purchase a replacement water filter at the True Residential store. See link in the description. Press and hold Clean and Light to reset the water filter reminder. If on, press and hold the power button until the display shows off. Press and hold the power button until the display shows fill. This relieves the water pressure. Rotate the existing water filter counterclockwise until the handle is almost horizontal. Then, pull the filter straight out of the appliance. If you have difficulty removing the water filter, turn off the water supply. Press and hold the power button until the display shows off. Locate the provided lubricant. Then apply the provided lubricant to both O-rings. Align the replacement water filter with the filter head's teeth inside the machine. Insert the replacement water filter and rotate the filter clockwise. Be sure the water filter is fully engaged. The handle should be vertical. If turned off, turn the water supply on. Press and hold the power button until the display shows fill.